If you are wondering if you can use your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 with your iPhone or any iOS device, then the answer is unfortunately no. Sadly, Galaxy Watch 9 is not compatible with any iOS device, including iPhones of course, and to make it work, to make sure that we can use Galaxy Watch 9 on a smartphone of any kind, you have to use a wearable app, which is not available in the App Store. Instead, we have this Samsung Galaxy Watch app, which seems to be an app that was used for some previous Galaxy Watch models. Over here we have a little description and we can read something about Gear S2, S3, Gear Sport, Galaxy Watch Active, and so on and so forth, but unfortunately Galaxy Watch 9 is not listed in here. So it was possible at the past to connect Samsung Galaxy Watches with an iPhone, but it is not the case for some time now, and unfortunately it is not different with Galaxy Watch 9. You still cannot, unfortunately, pair it with an iOS. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.